For today's video, we're going to the old castle here in Bornholm. So pupuntahan natin at bisitahin yung castle, pero sira na to. Pero maraming mga turista pa rin pumupunta dito sa castle na to. Ayun, doon tayo pupunta. Ayan. Oh, mahangin ngayon, ang lamig. Welcome to my castle. This is a dream. Now I can see finally one of the castle here in Denmark. Show to them the path. Where we going? So matagal nang matagal nang na-build ang castle na to. Mahaba yung istorya. Kaya titignan lang natin kung anong meron dito sa kanilang castle.
It's built in 1290.
1290.
Yeah.
1290.
And this is here, and they taste good.
And this is the cow for meat, right?
Yes.
Pang-ulam. Pang-ulam, pang-pulutan. Pang-pulutan. So, ang ganda ng view. Ayan. Okay, then I will take a photo. So this is now the entrance of the castle. Gawa sa gawa sa brick, bato. Pupunta tayo sa tuktok. Makikita mo rin dito yung dagat. Ayan ang view dito sa side niya. May baka pa dun. Ayan ang kanyang view. Ang ganda. Siya. Doon kami galing. Ayan. Paikot. Look the view here. Oh, nice. block the air, the wind. I mean. So now we are inside the castle, right? Nauna na siya. Nauna na siya. Yeah. Ayan. Ayan. Sa loob ng castle. Ayan. Tapos na kami, pababa na kami at mahangin, sobrang lamig. May init siya konti, kaya lang sobrang mahangin. Malamig, malamig. So we're going back. Going back. So this is it. This is it, Pansit. Now we saw the castle. Happy na?
A quick view because it's cold.
Yes, it's only a quick view.
Because of the weather.
Because of
would
the
be
weather.
not so big.
Mahangin kasi at lamig, kaya ano, hindi makapag-stay ng medyo matagal-tagal dito. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-view sa aking video to my Europe trip. See you again next time. Bye! 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 In the video.
So very beautiful to drive down there. Maybe next time. Right there with the forest is better.
Dito kami sa sasakyan ngayon. Dahil malamig sa labas, dito kami kakain ng flesh castay sandwich. For short, burger. Burger with baboy. Crispy. Crispy skin.
Yes.
Parang ano, liempo yung nasa loob niya. Tapos mga gulay. Liempo. This is the skin.
Yes.
Crispy. They make it really crispy, the skin.
It's good. That's good.
Ngayon, alam niyo na, pwedeng ilagay yung liempo sa burger. Try din natin yan. Sarap. Medyo maalat lang ng konti yung karne.